po yung masasabi nyo regarding dun sa calls na since sinabi mo nga po you want the big fishes to be under investigation po, yung possibility of President Bongbong Marcos to be investigated by the ICI as well?
I keep saying wherever the evidence leads. Okay? But so far, other than statements from a, shall we call, a former congressman as that we have invited twice to appear, has not appeared. Other than those statements, hindi naman pwedeng bigyan ng credence yun or as a basis of accusing someone. In fact, that's the same situation that has happened to a lot of legislators who were mentioned in this Blue Ribbon Committee that we are finding out, talagang ginamit lang yung pangalan nila.
Sir, follow up lang po. Yung sa sinabi niyo, sir, what do you mean by you cannot give credence to the statement of Saldico? Tama ba yung pagkanda ni sir? That cannot be a basis to investigate the president?
Of course not. I mean, again, I'm not a lawyer. I will leave it up to the lawyers to decide, and that's why we keep trying to invite, baka kung gusto niya, kahit na Zoom, kung nasaan man siya sa mundong ito, if the commission will accept a Zoom or a written affidavit. But as I said, these things, I leave it to the lawyers of the commission.
Ay, kulang ba yung sinabi niya, sir? Or mga legal
Ang dami niyang sinabi eh. Pero anong basis nun? Ganun-ganun na lang ba? That's the same, again, that's what happened in the Senate. Nagbanggit ng mga pangalan, isang katerba. When we started interviewing those that were mentioned, talagang walang connection. For either it was highly politically motivated or some other reason, we don't know.